Well, the bad news is rain is really starting to come down now. It's getting dark really fast. Shit. What time is it? I don't even know. But definitely time we gotta get out of here. Go down this hill that we just came up the other side. Oh, that's a nice little off-camber fun thing with a really low tree down there at the bottom. Don't want to hit that thing. So, be mindful of the trees, guys. They do not like cars riding through them. Alright, through the thickets we go. Gear just because it's wet. Well, it's really off camber. Oh my god, no. Holy shit. Oh my god, that was fucking crazy. Still fucking crazy. Oh no. It's not good, guys. Clutch is burning up. Guys.